Hello guys and welcome back to my channel. So in this video I will tell you that how to repeat header rows in Excel. So before starting the video, make sure to like this video and subscribe to our YouTube channel for more tips and tricks like this one. So here you can see that we have this row here at the top, which is our main row. So now if basically let's suppose that we have thousands of records here, and if we just scroll down here you can see that our main row is gone. Okay, we are not being able to see our main row. So what's we gonna do here, that we will freeze this first row. Okay, so how we can basically do this, that once you are in your Excel software here, then you need to go into this view tab here, and here you will see this option where it says freeze panes. Okay, so now when you click on this arrow here, you will see three options here. So the first option, what this will do is that this will basically freeze the first row and the first column of your Excel sheet. So whether if you basically scroll down or scroll to the right, this first row and first column will always show. And if you see this option freeze top row, then it will just freeze this top row here. And if you select this option where it says freeze first column, then it will basically just freeze this first column here. So I will select this one where it says freeze top row, and now if we scroll down here you can see our the top row is still visible here. Okay, and basically to unfreeze this you will click again on this arrow here, and at the top it says unfreeze, just unfreeze, and now it is back into its normal condition. So that's it for this video guys. If you find it useful, kindly like this video and subscribe to my channel, and I will see you in the next video.